Hi, I'm Nara, and today we're going to make a really simple recipe that I think you're going to really love. I already have some red onions that I cut here. We want to cut these into really nice long pieces, okay? This is a version, the adult version of this recipe, okay? Because I do make this a lot for birthday parties and my children's friends. They really love it. As a matter of fact, some of the mothers ask me to make it for their kids' birthday parties. But it's not just for birthday parties. It's for any time. Okay, so let me finish cutting this red pepper here already started. And we're going to use one large red pepper for the amount that we're making today. I am also going to use, let's just throw that right there. I'm going to use 8 hot dogs. And this is a skinless dog. And it's the longer hot dog. Okay, so I'm going to show you what we're doing. I'm cutting it in half. Then half, then half again. I mean, you don't have to be very precise with this, okay? The only reason I do it like that, you'll see later on, because it's just really easy to put it on the roll that we're going to use, okay? So just cut it in half, and we'll just do that to all 8 of them. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil, maybe a tablespoon or 2. Into my pan here. I'm using a large pan because we're going to actually make a sauce with this, and we don't want to have tomato and things splashing all over the place. I'm going to add my onions. Okay. Just going to let that saute a little bit by itself. Then I'm going to add the red peppers and the hot dogs. Now see what they look like when you cut them all up. Alright. For this recipe, I am going to be using a new flavor of Philadelphia cream cheese. This, like I said, this is a recipe that I've been making for a long time for my kids. And, excuse me. And one day, one of my daughter's friends said, well, what do you call this? And I said, oh, sloppy dog. And so it just became sloppy dog because I never had a name for it. And so I decided that I was going to make this because I thought it was a fun, delicious recipe. But I was thinking, which Philadelphia cream cheese am I going to incorporate into this recipe? And as I was shopping the other day, I found sun-dried tomato and basil. And I thought, oh my goodness, that will be perfect with my sloppy dog. So that's what we're going to use today, all right, to make this extra yummy. So I actually let this cook it's almost caramelized. Some of them are starting to caramelize, and I like that. It brings out more of the sweetness on the onions, Now I'm going to add our red pepper. Okay. And I'm actually going to add the hot dogs also. And what I want to do here is I'm going to actually lower my fire here on the stove to medium, and I'm going to cover the pot and let this just kind of cook together so that the flavors of the onion and the red pepper and the hot dogs really kind of work into each other, okay? Alright, and then we'll come back to that. Then we're going to add our mushrooms and our sauce, and I'm going to make this just a little bit hot, a little spicy with a little jalapeno. Alright. I can't wait to eat this. We're going to check and see how our hot dog is doing here. Everything is just infusing together. Feel the juice there from the hot dog, the red pepper, and the onions. Alright, now that we have that little bit of juice in there, I'm going to add 8 ounces of clean sliced mushrooms. You could use whatever type of mushrooms you like. Okay. I'm going to close our pot again for another 3 to 5 minutes. And then we're going to add our sauce and our Philadelphia cream cheese. Alright, so excited. Oh, okay, so let me tell you something. Come back here, let me show you. Now see how we cut this? Like I said, there's a version for adults and for children. If I was doing this for a children's birthday party, I would just slice the hot dogs. Just take the long way and just slice into, you know, teeny little slices, and then I would cut the red pepper, everything really tiny and small, because like I said, sometimes kids don't like that. It's not so much that I found that they don't like onions, but they don't like the texture. So if you cut everything really tiny, they won't even notice, but they will love this. Okay. Spread a little love today. Spread a little love, my eye will spread a little something to remember. Yeah. Okay, now we're going to add our tomato sauce. And again, this is any tomato sauce that you like. I just like using some basic tomato sauce because I want the flavors from the hot dog and the things that I'm putting into this recipe to be what comes out, okay? So you don't want to have something that's too strong in there. This is just basic tomato sauce. It's time to use our sun-dried tomato and basil. I did stick my finger in there and tried it. And you know what? There is such a good balance of the sun-dried tomato and the basil that when I tried it, I could taste both, and it is so good. I know that this is going to add such a wonderful dimension here to my sloppy dogs. I'll have to find a new name for them. They can't just be sloppy dogs now. They might have to be sloppy dogs with sun-dried tomato and basil. That sounds better. I don't know about the sloppy. Look at that. Oh, my, my, my. Oh, goodness gracious. This is so good. I told you it was a simple, easy recipe. Woo-hoo. Now, I am going to add a little bit of, I have a jalapeno. It has a little bit of salt with it, so I have to be really careful. But it's a jalapeno spice, okay? Just to give it just a little bit of that heat. That's it. Okay. Well, our meal is done, and it looks beautiful, and it smells so good. Oh my! You can serve this with a tall glass of iced tea or lemonade. And next time you're not sure what to make for dinner, take out your sun-dried tomato and basil and whip up a batch of sloppy dogs. Okay, I'm going to try mine now. That's why it's called sloppy dog, see? I can taste that tomato and basil. It is delicious. You should also have a big napkin when you eat sloppy dogs. Okay, well, thank you all for spending this time with me. I'll see you next time. Bye.